This little number pad packs a serious punch, but is it worth the hype? Let's dive into the Keychron Q0 Max. Right off the bat, the build quality is absolutely stunning. This isn't your average plastic numpad. It's crafted from CNC machined 6063 aluminum, feeling incredibly solid and premium in hand. It's clear Keychron put a lot of effort into making this a true piece of desk art. Connectivity is where the Q0 Max really shines. You get blazing fast 2.4 GHz wireless with a 1000 Hz polling rate, which is fantastic for both productivity and gaming, where responsiveness is key. Plus, you can connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1, making multitasking a breeze. And of course, there's always the reliable wired USB-C option. The typing experience is also a major highlight. Keychron has layered in acoustic foams like IXBE, PET, and latex, combined with a double gasket design and screw-in stabilizers. The result is a wonderfully satisfying thunk with every press, a far cry from the hollow sound of many other numpads. The KSA Profile PBT keycaps feel great, are resistant to oil, and the legends won't fade. And for those who love to tinker, the hot swappable sockets mean you can easily swap out the Gaterin banana switches for almost any MX-style switch without soldering. The addition of a macro column and a rotary encoder knob on the left side adds a whole new level of customization and utility. You can program these for shortcuts, volume control, or whatever else you can imagine, making this numpad incredibly versatile. It's compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux, and supports QMK VIA for deep customization. Overall, the Keychron Q0 Max is a premium, highly customizable, and exceptionally well-built wireless numpad that elevates the standard number pad experience. If you're looking for a high-performance, great-feeling addition to your desk setup, this is definitely one to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.